Hey there, YouTube. I'm not usually into Pokemon, but these were a pretty good deal, so I picked up a couple black and white emerging powers and also a Clash of Legends box, which I'll make a different video for that one. I don't know much about Pokemon cards, so I'm more into Yu-Gi-Oh! So you guys will have to let me know what's good and what's not. And all cards will be up for sale, most likely. Alright. So we got a Pharaoh Seed, a Pidove, a Cottony, a Sandile, a Roggenrola, a Gothorita, a Zorua, a Crocorock. My reverse holo is a Leavanny, and my rare is a holo Tornadus, so I'm assuming those are probably good pulls. If you guys are interested, let me know. Alright, here's the next pack. We have an Emolga, a Ducklet, a Pansear, a Roggenrola, a Basculin, a Recycle, a Throw, a Watchog. My reverse is a Swanna, and my rare is a Whimsicott. Alright, so overall I think they're not too bad. Leave a comment, let me know. If you guys are interested, PM me an offer, and thanks.